Good morning students. Welcome back. In previous class we already discussed the concept of packages. Now once again we glance those concepts. There are two types of packages. One is built-in packages. Second one is user defined functions. Packages. Built-in packages are already existing in our Java programming language, and user-defined packages are packages which are defined by the users. These are two types of packages used in our Java programming language. In today's class, we are going to learn access modifier concept in Java. Let us discuss. There are two types of modifiers in Java. Actually, there are two types of modifiers are there in Java. First one is access modifier. Second one is non-access modifiers. First one is access modifiers. Second one is non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in a Java specify the accessibility of or a scope of the field, method, constructor or the class. Access modifiers in a Java specify the accessibility or a scope of the field, class or a method or a constructor. We can change the access level of fields, constructor, methods and class by applying the access modifiers on it. And there are four types of access modifiers are in Java. Those are private, protected, public and default. Now we can discuss one by one. First one is private. The access level of private modifiers is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Private access modifiers are only used in class. It cannot be accessed outside the class. Second one is default. The access level of default modifiers is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from the outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Third one is protected. The access level of protected modifiers is within the packages and the outside the packages through the child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the class. Fourth one is public. The access level of the public modifiers is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and also outside the package. First one is private. Private cannot be accessed outside the class. It only accessed within the class. Second one is default. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. And fourth one is protected. Protected, it cannot be accessed from the outside the packages. Public. Public is accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and also the outside the package. And there are many non-access modifiers are there. First, now we discuss the access modifiers. Those are public, protected, private and default. Here some non-access modifiers are there, such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. These are the non-access modifiers. Here we are going to learn the access modifiers only. We have to focus only on the access modifiers to get the accessibility of the class, field or the method or the constructor. Here one diagram is there to show the access modifiers in Java. See here, the title is Introduction to Java Programming Language, Access Modifiers in Java. Here the public, private, protected, these are the access modifiers. In class, public is allowed, private not allowed and protected not allowed. In a class, only public access modifiers is allowed. In constructor, all three type of the accessibility is available or allowed. In variables also, all three access modifiers are allowed. In method also, all modifiers are allowed. Only in a class, public access modifiers are used. Here one example is there. First we declare the A class. Within that class, private, we declare the one variable, that is data, and also initialize the value as a 40 and make it as a private. Within that we write the private method, that is private void message. In that message we are going to print a hello Java as a statement. This is the closing of method, this is the closing of class. In a public class, simple, the class name is a simple. In that class we write the main method and created the obj object with the help of class name and printed that obj.data. We are calling this data from the obj object. It gives the compiler time error, and again we are going to call the obj with the help of obj object. We are going to call the message method. This is also give the compile time error, because these two variable and methods that are private in another class, we cannot allow the private class outside the class. The private access modifiers allowed within the class. Its scope cannot be accessed outside the class. I hope you all are understand this concept. In next class we are going to learn interface concept, how to create the interface, how to use the interface, and what is the interface, what are the uses of interface. In next class we have to learn. Thank you.